As any man me there with a fi brag about it. Girl I watch out me life and I ask about it. But me life stable, me no see them don't it. Nobody make the pretty face for you. But alone this a girl not have a body in a crow. Me say when me a say you fi do what you would. When you see me better drop your attitude.
Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Fresh face in the morning, you know, people. You don't know the things that you know. Yeah. No work today? A woman not work. So guess what?
So yeah. Work day.
I saw over there today.
So no work day.
Watch her now.
So no work day.
Before she go rest.
Gloves on, cleaning products, everything I work.
Before she go rest. She
rest?
But she had this and she had that and
people, me can't rest at my house, my clean.
I mean.
That now go work.
For real.
Sleepless nights. It might be dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bam, 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 bam. Yeah.
I'll show them the kitchen and the living room we do already.
Nique with the bam bam, you know. So, she said for what? For sure no. Clean up already. But when she clean, me not lie. It's different. You can't say clean. So I do it. You know you're not dirty, but you don't look so pretty. And I like and I let him something. I saw a thing set man in I man. I which man in this? I chose it. Yeah. Come in to work yesterday neither. But we're not doing no vlogging or nothing. Do some editing and thing yesterday. So guess what? I do more editing today again. No work today. So I'm not on the 9 to 5. Yeah, I'm on the 24 hour. And the 24 hour is YouTube. You don't know. Where's the man?
Turn on news.
Where's the man, baby?
Huh?
Where's the man?
I never know what I'm saying.
Oh. My granny always say when you say something and forgot a lie, they tell.
When they counted us out. Oh, but look at us now. Oh, they counted us out.
Yeah, voice out.
They didn't think that we would make it. Oh, they didn't believe in us. Oh, but I know God did, God did. Oh, God did. Oh, yes, God did. I'll be with your fees also.
You know. The nigga done clean up house. House smell fresh.
Yeah.
Looking fresh.
Yeah. And now I wash up them couple of brushes there on me over the weekend. Alright.
I don't know the thing set.
People, when me do client, this whole thing full.
Hello, for do already that's the you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now when you see him talk to me with the shop.
And get to again. She left on road from morning to enough because she have to go to office. She got post office yesterday.
You know you're really mixed up here.
You know? Eh?
You never tell them so we got post office yesterday?
Yeah, I got post office yesterday and guess what? Yesterday holiday.
God did. Oh yes, God did. Yeah, so my baby they have vibes up with me for the little day off, you know?
Yeah, I mean, that's what I think that, man. And that's what I feel the baby? Yeah.
So my part, you know? Nigga God did his thing when he made me.
What kind of wind this? Another little wind this.
Which wind? A bam bam wind.
Bam bam wind. Bam bam wind.
They're gonna underestimate me. You already look what I'm saying? Before them overrate me, them are gonna underestimate me.
That's I think that, man. All of the grits them in our home make it go through, you know. You can't them store to tell them, don't. But let me tell you when you go win. When you find yourself and you just do you. Yeah, when you do you are you and your family. No, nobody else. Yeah, we just do things with please we.
Oh yes,
And we happy. And then everything else will come. Yeah? Remember me telling you, gotta take time, bless me. Yeah. Done now, baby?
Yes, thank God.
Hey.
And then I better come back in here. Come use some more brush.
Yes, I never call you for I do so much, baby.
Some of them, most of them.
Yeah.
I used the brushes that was already dirty.
And me now. There you go. Yeah.
So me not fight over man, no, me no man clown, me no wear girl things, so me rather do without.
Baby, I want breakfast, baby.
Huh?
I make eggs here, baby.
You want me egg?
Yeah.
I stay clean just like you just see. People underneath me now fi compete to talk all you want, but you can't beat me. So man, me no back from no girl. Me throat them have on me have ambition of always number one. Both them shampoo but in a bad condition. A blessing never she sing you me. Cause physique girl can't compare what she can't come. Best believe me we take your man over with ease.
Yo.
Cause we no fight over man. Me no man clown. Things me rather do it up. I want the song girl.
Yeah, so she a DJ and she a singer and she a everything.
I over me, man, I'm over me because I stay clean just like me just see.
Make some breakfast.
You don't wanna know. Stay good so make we talk about it. Cause any man me there with a fi brag about it. Girl I watch out me life and I ask about it. But me life stable, me no see them don't it. Nobody make the pretty face for you. But alone this a girl not have a body in a crow. Me say when me say you fi do what you would. When you see me better drop your attitude.
Yeah. Yo, me not forgot nowhere. Me have DJ and me singer, you know.
Whoa, I know.
So me I make breakfast for Nique. Cause me not make nothing for the DJ and the singer.
Ah, you're so accomplished. Go for them.
But the palm, you know?
Tell me which was to really give me chat. And then me girl a rally back. Me not big when you know that. Wait, hey, go Rash, wait, hey, and y'all wash up all of them something that I use.
Baby, you may make things so, you know?
No, nobody make nothing for me.
Yeah, wicked, you know?
Nobody make nothing for me. Me eat some stupid. I can eat it.
Oh. Oh.
Two more.
Yeah. I'm not fry egg in a aisle. That's what your style. Less aisle. Better for you, though. But I deal with that different way. And guess who teach me the way? Nique. And Nique teach me the way, you know? Right, baby?
Wanna fling it back, baby. Baby, I know this how you looking like that.
How am to the one an idea?
Wanna fling it back, baby.
Yeah, practice for Saturday, I come, baby.
Yeah. It's good, you deserve it. Rock knock with no key, Place it with me, Baby, leave the lights on. You know that's my song. Let me tell you this, try to play with it. You alone from your hit it never miss. Would you? Give it the kind of way I feel. Like that. Like that.
Flip the egg, you know? You don't know the things yet. Listen to the final product, man. Know yourself. You don't know.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a neat breakfast. Yeah.
Someone not in the talk, yeah. I know me a talk, yeah.
Yeah, man. Ready?
It is a love.
Nique.
Yes, baby.
Breakfast.
Thank you, baby. Hold on, let me fit. Watch that milk there for me.
Yeah. And she make her tea.
I'm changing what.
What's your tea name again, baby?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Yeah, she do her cappuccino.
I'm do my wax.
And she walk. She change the wax them in the thing them.
People, everybody come to my house and I was like, "Whoa, it smells nice in here. What?" Yeah, no frozen oats around here.
Mm-hmm.
I like that. I like them style there. To each his own, but not me. My house have to smell good, have to clean. Then we can lay down and relax.
Yeah, right.
Me can relax. And my house not clean. I come up in a bed, I like say everything good. Like no. Who does that?
Who raised ya?
Go for real. Yeah, well, sometimes, yes. Gonna be one. Never be a legend that it can't change. Boom, boy, you know what you're in the eyes.
Oh, I go on.
Rate you. Appreciate you. I can tell you this, dog. Rate you. Appreciate you from me no like me no like ya. Me and me one bus now catch up people yard when I come. Rate ya. Appreciate you from you no like me no like ya. By your yard when I come. If you can make my life better, then me no need you around me. You only I go pull me down and try drown me. Nah, give me nothing but always want to hold me. Then slowly we a go fall. So me keep my circle with positive people. I mean no one reason, less a positive reason. Some come round and I go on like them positive happy. You no know the fuck it. Positive evil, rate ya.
No more.
That's the message for the day.
Ross, I think I don't have voice out today, baby. Damn. No more. Yeah,
right?
yeah, no more.
That was just the message of the day.
Yourself. Soon start voice running, or yourself.
Yeah.
Think mucho, man.
Yeah, never vibes, I go vibes.
Alright. One at a time, you know? Day by day. Step by step. So you think set, man. Just remember God, you know? In everything we do. You see me? Yeah, man. That's the real way. You see, yo, they sing. Or if you turn over, or if you boil over, you're sitting. Watch our mouth. She love her still good. Yo, it's nice, you know. Taste it, man, but when I know my thing, that's still what nice.
Oh, cash flow. Devil said, "Mama, I can't deal with you."
I'll be a vibe so to blow.
Devil said, "Mama, I can't deal with you. You even sing the instruments in the songs." Why?
Yo, happy for me day off. Jaja.
Me too, my dear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's how all of vibes, Anna. Yeah, I mean? Yeah.
And no for them, no change. But nothing couldn't change us. Does it indicate the urge? Alright, 450.
Where is that? Really eat that.
Baby, what you say? Right now, we up on a journey. We give our heart to some people when not worthy. Okay, we deserve it. And say, I want to never hurt me. My mother talk about me in a year. She used to say, if you say,
yeah, breakfast I get cold. Can I follow you? I jump up and down the whole day out there, so.
I better you live your life.
But that good still come here video still anyway.
You start driving and them a say you're hype. And when we did a walk foot, them say we broke it right. Brother make up on no mind dog, we up on a wheel. Don't eat cow up on the limb. Put the carrot down, cheese. Alright, no more performance.
Yeah, no more performance after. She just want record, she just want sing, she just want DJ. Damn.
We just love music.
I say come on.
For me, a little picnic. I'm gonna get that thing from my father. Jamins, big up yourself, my father. Rest in peace. And when we there Jamaica, and we there on the bus, I go up yes and go this and whatever. My father there on the bus, I serenade the whole bus. Real talk. And everywhere I go, everybody know him. Jammin, everywhere I walk. Jamins. Like, we couldn't even get no peaceful time with my father. People, my father can sing. And that's where I get it from. He's very talented. And people love him. Pitney and old people love him.
And you know, say from Pitney like you know you're a good somebody, you know. From Pitney like you.
Him, and him love kids. I tell Devane and Yuri the other day, I say, boy, from the grandfather did there, you know, that spoil rotten. Yuri start ball.
Yeah?
Yuri start both of the crib. Real balling to you know?
Yeah?
I said, Yuri, why I cry? He said, because I just miss my granddad. I said, oh God. God, it's a true me no how to deal with it. I mean no how to manage the hurt and the pain from missing him. But I say him young and him a picnic and no how to you know what I say? Yeah, start ball, I can't calm him down. I say shit, me I shouldn't bring it up, but I just have to tell them, say yo, if your grandfather was alive, you would have a lot of things, you would spoil, you rotten. But I'm tired of them. Would I send them go give him. Yeah, alright. Breakfast time.
Breakfast time, I know, man.
So your breakfast then?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and I cool on.
Me do a your time now, so I see how it works. So I say, alright, that's me. I make a breakfast.
Thank you. We people bit busy.
I remember me have mango, you know. Right, I know 2 mango me left.
I never do.
I 2 me left last night. Definitely. You eat a mango? Okay.
She said yeah?
Yeah. So I'm gonna eat a mango and a banana.
You need to go. You know, say I got fiesta.
Oh yeah,
Go get some. That's a trash, baby.
Oh yeah, man, it's a trash.
You better some nice, nice and clean. Me dey pon them like matlock in this.
Happy nice.
Yeah.
Happy nice.
You think me that sing I'm nice? Yeah. So the next side I know.
Which next side? Go ahead.
The side where I like dirt places. This is the miserable side where I was talk about. So I'm miserable, boy, she miserable, why Lord I should be. Yeah. When my place dirty, I'm miserable. Make it clean, make it nice. Nice girl. Right, baby? Right. Like off the light and come.
Alright. You see a share bad me up? Like off the light and come.
That means to my auntie. Give me my milk. I said, Annie, you need to say please. You need to say please. Mitzi, are you me a chat? She said, you need to say please. Which way me shot this set for please for true coming in and who me a size. And who me a come bad up like my eye the woman for come be made. For service me. I said, turn on the, give me my milk. My grandmother said, Lord, Mitzi just give her the little milk. No, Lord, you know so she turn. And turn on the fan too. Bright, you know? Bright, my bright. If me was my auntie, I'd have given one little box for my mouth. Yeah. But give me milk and turn on the fan. When I do it yourself, little girl, because you're so damn bright.
You see, a long time, I telling about her, she miserable and rank, you know. Long time, you see? I find she have picnic.
Hello, I'm not rank. You're bright. Me take the miserable phone, but not take her rank. Not take her rank. Not take her rank.
You say, wifey rank.
Wife for the rank.
Wifey rank.
Why I'm blood clot WZ for the rank. I want to the rank. Where rank I go?
Wait name again. Why man?
Oh, what's your friend?
Yeah. Why name again?
Unruly.
Unruly. Why? Yo, man, the wife everything.
You know who say wife for everything?
Oh.
CMR. Everything CMR say wife for.
Yeah?
Wife for that, Chrissy. Wife for that.
Okay.
I'm like, okay. Yeah, watch out with it too. Watch out up on the white train. Wife for blood.
Watch out. Go here.
What?
Come here, my breakfast.
Oh my God.
Come here, the bed that move so.
Come in here and a wipe.
And a wipe.
It's a problem I have. I have to take off this.
Yeah, this a woman and a easy
man. I eat the freaking breakfast. You don't have a problem.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's a bad problem though, but my need for.
No, I'm glad you have the problem. I suppose your problem was anywhere you go, you start clean. No. Everywhere you go, you're clean.
Even mommy said, yo, you see when you come down here with all of the picnic them or something, I don't even know on the day here. She said, you want to see when we go into the room? She called grandma and mama. You want to see when we go into the room? I need pack up her suitcase. It's in the corner. She pack out her things and hang up her clothes. She put her shoes them in the closet, fix them neat. When she gone out, she spread the bed and everything. You don't even know she there. Yeah. Clean girl, you know? My mother raised me good.
Yeah, man.
Vivian, big up your damn self, my mother. You did a great job.
Yeah.
Right, baby?
Yeah, mama. Thank you, mama.
Thank you, mama, for the 9 months to carry me. And people, mother love him, you see? Me say, this a man that can't do nothing.
Right.
Mother love him, you fret.
She know good people.
My mother love him, I'll get trouble. My mother, honey, you know him love you. Just wanna work it out.
She know good people, man, that's why. You should clap.
So why your people over here?
Chop. You should chop.
I will put on an egg taste now.
Know yourself. Yeah, different flavor. Because I me do it, I do it like how I do it myself.
Okay, chef boy or Rash.
And I tell them I put on it. Oh, wait, but you see, you look on the video. Damn.
Oh, good, you see? That don't like ugly.
So you say me ugly?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Wait till me there with your phone.
To me ugliness.
Nobody there with nobody because they're ugly.
No, me ugliness.
But nobody not gonna there with nobody because them ugly.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
So,
You're ugly, baby. You're handsome.
right. That's a Etlin grand boy handsome.
But now they're not ugly, man.
Alright.
I like that. Like metal. Not call her name. But why, brother? Sometimes I have to say why. And them time they why come in.
You know fuck you know. Jaja.
And them time I should say why. Trust me. But sometimes people have to, you know, only for just date people or whatever for them looks. Because you get fucked.
Mm-hmm.
Get to know a person and them personality and all them something there. And that's what happened with him, you know. We get to know him, we talk on the phone for months, about 4 months before that man had touched me in a sexual way. Wait, no.
No,
that's a lie. But about 4 or 5 months before, may had sex.
No, not so much, baby.
Yes, babes. July.
About 3 weeks.
4 months.
About 3 weeks.
Don't freaking play with me. Don't block and play with me. Which 3 weeks?
No, 3 days.
You're getting worse. Which 3 days? You're bright. Not that goodie here.
July.
Some other goodie you mix me up with. You better find the goodie in New York where you mix me up with.
Yeah, 3 months.
No, it was 4.
4?
You came. Mama said, come on. I know the exact day you came to Atlanta. I saw it the other day.
Oh.
On my Facebook.
One picture.
October the 4th.
Okay.
Because I said on my way to the airport to pick up my baby.
Yeah.
I saw the memory.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You hear that?
And people, I'll pick him up from the airport and late. Man vex with me.
Them have me out about 3-4 hours.
But guess what? Guess what? I can never stay
I never fear fall still, but so you go.
People when you come, I say, me count down the day of them. Me count down the day of them for October 4th. Me say, And I count down the weeks. Me say, okay, I have 1 week left. Alright, 1. People, you know how good woman is. When he come, I saw the place start out. And when night, people in come. When him come, gifts from bed line up for him. Yeah, good. Me a good girl. Stop playing with me.
Tell her she look me, I think a joke.
Now that after you look mean. And I show you say, alright, this is how you look. You taste how you look. You're brave.
My baby.
Yeah, my baby.
So, you know me I say, that's go and big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I just cook some breakfast for her and show she there clean and something, man. Yeah, I mean, like, subscribe, share,
Share.
tell a friend to tell a
Hit
friend.
that bell.
Cling.
So you get notified every time we drop a new video.
Yeah, man. So you don't know the thing set now. It's another one.